Welcome to this quick overview of our desktop application. It's available on both Mac and Windows, and we even have a browser-based version. So, to get started, simply visit streams.us/downloads. Here you'll find a couple of download options. Once you've selected the version that suits you, just need to follow the usual installation process according to your operating system. All right. So when you log into the app, you'll land on this home screen. Here you'll see the recent tab right here, which gives you clear and detailed overview of your most recent interactions, whether they're calls, messages, SMS, or even faxes, including group faxing through fax groups. Really, everything is conveniently just a click away, ensuring an easy access to all your latest communications. So at the top, you'll notice a search bar that enables you to quickly find contacts, conversations, or even specific strings, making navigation both fast and intuitive. Now let's look at the Contacts tab, essentially a centralized directory where you can view not only your entire team, but also broader company contacts. It's designed to give you quick access to everyone you might need to communicate with, whether they're internal team members or even external contacts you've imported, like these. Right? So it really acts as a full scale directory. Now let's talk about Smartbox right here. Our central hub for file and document sharing. So in Smartbox, you'll find several or numerous folders. Let's grab just this one for demonstrational purposes. As you can see, you can store and organize a wide range of files. Now, you can also share these files with granular control, really enhancing collaboration and ensuring better teamwork across departments. Now, moving on to the Connect tab right here, pretty simple. This is where you can manage and keep track of your Connect sessions, really just giving you full visibility of your previous interactions. Now, in the profile section, you can update your profile photo with just a click, like so. You can change your status from like out to lunch, busy, or even add a custom message. We have our voicemails button right here, which I don't think I have any, but it's right there for you just to click away. Um, Here, if you click on the plus sign, we can actually initiate a connect session. Unless we move to our conversations segment, we can create teams, add a contact, add a non-streamed contact, and even send out an invite to sign up. Right? What else? Here, we have our dial pad. Essentially, you can enter a phone and then dial out or send an SMS. We have a do not disturb button right there. And we even have an option to activate our call forwarding plans. You can see here, I have the default ones, but you can also create your own personalized forwarding plan that will better suit your needs. All right. So what else? Now for more advanced customization option, we have our settings right here, which we'll look into in just a moment. Now let's take a closer look at some key settings. In the admin section, options available to you will depend on your role and permission. For example, in my case, I have access to View Manager and reporting capabilities. Right? Be just a second as it loads for us. Right? So just keep that in mind. This will depend entirely on your permissions. Next, we have our download center where you can easily find additional install files or any necessary plugins. Moving on to the devices tab. Here you can see all the devices you're logged into with the option to force a logout if needed for security or troubleshooting purposes. Now, we also have a logging and reporting segment, which provides detailed insights into your call logs and SMS, really just helping you track your communication history. And then additionally, we have a help section that offers relevant documentation. And finally, we have a logout button for securely access the app. Now we'll dive into the settings segment. So let's dive into the general settings. Here, both basic and advanced settings are available, allowing you to tailor the experience to your specific needs, really. So we're starting with the basics. We have a user info segment right here. You can visualize your current service plan, our caller ID, our DID assigned. Here you can see that we have SMS capabilities on this DID. Specifically, we can visualize our email, change our password, even update our time zone. We have different caller ID SMS settings. We have call routing option where you can actually add a plan if you need from here. We have different mobile call preferences, presence and notification settings, like so. We can even reset all our customized streams notifications. We got speed dials, which I don't have any registered. And then finally, a quick voicemail option with different attributes that we can modify. Greeting, busy greeting, our actual voicemail, and then different options to better improve on your day-to-day kind of workflow, if that makes sense. Also have some advanced settings. Audio conferencing, call recording settings, enable call recording. We can do it from here or disable, click to call settings. We have a disaster plan, temporary override option, even back setting. We have even display settings, the way that you can actually visualize your contacts. We have a groups section for call monitoring, call center capabilities. We have an option to import contacts from here. not only Google Contacts, but also like a plain CSV file or even Outlook contact. Got different login settings, Outlook settings, replication service settings, Smartbox. As you can see, we have several options, and honestly, you can get pretty granular with how you're configuring and setting up your overall experience. We even have a spam settings where you can allow, play message, disconnect, busy, signal, depending again entirely on your needs and, well, usage. This was just a quick overview of our settings tab, which of course can get pretty advanced. And as always, if you need assistance, you can always reach out to our support team. All right. So that was it. Thanks for joining us for this quick overview of our desktop application. Hope this has given you a clear understanding of how to get started and take advantage of the app's powerful features. So enjoy using the app, and thank you for watching.